Let's get into part 2 of our plant updates. I just finished updating you on the African violet propagation with leaves and the important thing that I learned. Now, let's look at my pothos plants, or as we say in Jamaica, creeper. We grew up with these, as I mentioned in the previous video, creeping all over the place. There's so many things that I grew up with that were so common that it's now in the limelight, and I'm thinking, but I'm used to that. Well, anyways, let's check this out because yeah, I put these in the jars. I think it was late summer, early fall last year, and they did very well. But there is something particular about this one that I must mention because when I did the previous video, I had some pieces of vine that didn't have a leaf on them. They were just fine, but they have these little nodules. And so for sure, I know that it would make sense putting them in the water and not just tossing them. However, I mentioned that I saw somewhere where it was suggested that you toss them out. Don't toss them out. Put them in water. Watch the other video to see how I did it, and you will be rewarded for it. I'm going to pot them up in 2 different pots. So let's get started. So if you want to do something that's unexpected, you pot your pothos up in a kettle. This kettle I picked up at a garage sale. Now, I don't want to put any holes in the bottom of this kettle because I want it to sit on the surface and I don't want it leaking out when I water the plant. And so what I did was put some sand and stone about up to here in the kettle to give it a bit of drainage in the bottom. And then I just went ahead and I put regular potting soil in the kettle. And so what I'm going to do now is use my little trowel here to just push the soil to the side a bit. And I'm going to go ahead and plop some pothos plants in. Check out this root. That's a pretty long root. Okay. The roots look pretty healthy. Let's take off this little thing here. Roots, pretty healthy roots. Now I am going to give it a good drink of water, and I have actually put some all-purpose fertilizer that I bought in the water. Now this one is going in the house and it should look real good sitting on my fireplace mantle in the dining room in my rustic country decor. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos, guys. This is a great way to get plants to put in your home, around in your home, and also even your garden, to do your own propagation. So you don't have to have a budget to buy so many plants. If you're like me, you don't have a budget to do that, so you go ahead and you do some propagation, and it also gives you a good feeling to accomplish something, right? Thanks for watching again, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And by the way, remember to watch part 1. I share something that's really interesting about propagating your African violet leaves, or propagating African violets from leaves. I'll see you in the next video. Appreciate you. Thanks.